Connecticut is quiet power. Before it was a state, it was a colony of dissenters, Puritans who broke away from stricter colonies to shape a new kind of order. In 1639, they drafted the Fundamental Orders, often called the first written constitution in the Western world. It's where revolution brewed early. Militias gathered in Greentown squares. Yankee ingenuity forged muskets, brass, and identity. During the Revolution, Connecticut became George Washington's supply line. Its rivers powered factories. Its coastline watched for redcoats. Later, it became the cradle of industry, home to Colt firearms, the first sewing machines, and clocks that kept America on time. Mark Twain lived here. So did Harriet Beecher Stowe. In time, Connecticut gave rise to insurance giants, elite education, and submarine warfare. It invented the lollipop and the Frisbee. Today, it's a land of stone walls and steeples, hedge funds and hometown parades. Connecticut may be small, but its impact has been anything but.